Alright. Just made a new one. Let me get rid of this one. Just delete. Alright, so hopefully I can be heard now. Let's see if I echo through. Yep. That absolutely works. Alright. So now let's continue with whatever I was doing. I was kind of half-ass selecting a font and making a radial gradient. Just trying to put together a new portfolio for Shade Develops, and that, oh god, that turned terrible. Alright, well, we'll get there. Let's work on the gradient first. You know what? That's alright, I got a lot of stuff to do anyway. I'm just going to do one thing at a time, which is, before I even select a font, I could just build out the function of what I need, and then I'll come in and just try a few out. Because I want to build out the idea, like the flow of the idea, before I even give a crap about the font. Oh. Alright. Dang, I had a viewer, then they left, or maybe it was just me. Who knows? Alright. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. And I want to change that. So go body. Yeah, I got this background radial gradient. Let's do this logo outer container. Let's add some CSS to the home. So we'll do logo outer container, and we'll do a height of 95 VH. There we go. That looks a lot better. Go ahead and close this out. Then go back to our typography. We'll just say color. Let's actually go to variables. We'll do just what, like text white, and we'll just say oh, that's black. I always get them confused. Let's see here. So here we could do color. Well, you know, it was text white, right? Yeah. And then we'll go back to the index. We'll do this. We'll say, ah, shoot, I forgot the name of it already. Logo heading. Alright, boom, that's white, good to go. Now I want to take that and put it in the center. Let's see here. How exactly would I do that? Cut a couple different ways. I could margin or maybe use a grid, display flex. Could display flex. So the outer container, we would display flex. We would align. Okay, so we want to, I always forget those from using display flex on how we want to align things. If we want to align it, because we want to align across the main axis and the cross axis, but I'm just gonna guess until I get it right. I'm sure one of them's align items center. There we go. And the other one is justify content center. Boom. Wow. Go me for that one right there. Proud of myself. All right, and so let's go ahead and take that, copy it, put it within our here, where what is called, oh, it's still our logo outer container. And then we're going to do our logo inner container. And we'll do, I'm going to give it a border, 1 pixel, solid white. Debating on how I want to do this. Like I said in the description, this may change how I decide I want to do this out. But I have this idea. No, let's not. Let's do it. Let's just keep it. Yeah. Okay, that's what we'll do. All right, so let's go back here, and then we want to create a this won't be logo circle, so it'll just be logo, and then so instead of calling this logo, oh, I guess logo heading is absolutely fine. We're going to do a span dot top text, and then a span dot bottom text, and then I have node mod running and Sass, so I've got a npm script that ran that's checking both of those because we're using Node.js. Just in case anybody was curious, because I just kind of like started running this and didn't really say much about the setup. But right now it's half doing what I want. And there we go. Everything is looking pretty decent. I'm not 100% sure how I wanted to really even do this. Like I said, I've got a couple ideas. One's like this circle idea where there's like a cool circular animation, and it all like comes together at the end. I'm not very good at animations, but it'd be cool just to practice, right? And like do like this RGB like glow effect. I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stick with what I really wanted to do. Be me, right? You should be you when given the chance, unless you can be Iron Man, then be Iron Man, I'd be Iron Man or Batman, either one. Who cares? All right, let's go. Radio, no. Am I using like? Oh yeah, we are using it, and it's working fine. All right. Introduction to variable fonts, by the way. I just saw these today. I thought that was pretty cool. Where you can give it a weight, and a width, and voila, you can change so much about your font. It's pretty dope, right? I think so. All right. So back to here. We want to add definitely some either probably just some padding to make it easy, right? Just in the inner logo container, we'll just do padding 50. Wow, VH is huge. 50%? No? Yeah, that's way too much. What am I thinking? There we go. Yeah, it's like 50% on like all sides. Oh, that's kind of cool. I like that square look. I wonder if I could transform, translate X, Y. No, it'd be rotate. Rotate. Not 45 degrees. Well, I guess I could and just take away the padding. It still doesn't look right. It looks like dog shit. I can fix. I'm not worried about the text. The text is not a big deal. I guess that's not a square either, right? Like, I mean, why not though? Yeah, it's definitely not a square. Alright, forget that. Alright, let's give a border radius 50%. Oh, yeah, that's right. We're not making a perfect circle, and I don't like that. I want to make a circle. So that means I need to make this. Okay. There we go. Sorry, wait, come on, I'm just trying to look at some stuff, like, okay. Like, what do I got going on here? That's clearly not a circle now. I'm gonna just Google how to make a perfect circle in CSS. How to make a perfect circle CSS. I'll just assign it in equal width and height. That makes so much sense. Man, I feel a little dumb after that one. Okay, so 50% wouldn't be an equal width and height. So why did I just give it Okay, but 500 pixels, which I need to convert this, would be. There we go. Okay. Now, div ID logo. We definitely need to position it in the center of this. But I'm not sure how and where I want it yet. Go ahead and copy and save these over here on my, what is this, logo inner container, right? Yeah. All right, because top text, let's see here, I want you to display inline block. Or just block. I think I'm gonna do text, decoration. Oh, nope, that's not it, right? What is it? Text, transform, uppercase, yeah. I'm gonna do that to the logo heading. Okay. So let's go back to typography. We have logo heading. We're gonna do text transform uppercase, and for our span, with a class of, what was it, top text, we'll say display block. There we go, exactly what I expected. Nice, nice. All right. This is sort of coming out to how I expected it. Instead of, let's just make this 100. There we go. All right, and let's see here. What if I want to move this? Oh no, I don't want this because I do want this little bottom section here. So let's make this 90, and it shouldn't really matter whatever I make it. It should, everything should fit to how I want it. Let's go ahead and add that bottom navigation section as well. We'll call this bottom nav outer container. Then we'll do bottom nav inner container. Or could just do nav And then need to look something up. Let's see here. Yeah, we'll do nav ul. Now what do I want? Let's see here. How many do I think I might need? Could just do a portfolio section, GitHub, then a contact. So we'll do portfolio. Let's try and do 5. I think I like 5, the number 5. So we'll do this one what times. No, li for lia times 4. Oh, not quite, but I'll take it. Oh, I could have done it. I see here. How do I do that? I think it's control click. Nope. Alt click. Yeah, there we go. Nice. A handy little shortcut there. Alright, so we have portfolio, GitHub, contact, maybe it's just portfolio, GitHub, and contact at the moment. What else would I put? Not sure. It's all good. Let's do this. Comment it out. Well, actually, why even comment it out? I can come back to it later. All right. Reload that. Great. Looks like dog crap sitting on the bottom, but at least it's there. And let's do. No, that's fine. We're not gonna do anything. All right. Actually, let's do move this logo. So here we're going to display flex, align items. Yeah, justify content, center, height 100%. Yeah, that looks actually pretty good. Not bad at all, if I do say so myself. Let's go ahead and copy all this garbage, all my CSS garbage, and then we're gonna put it inside of what? Div ID logo, which is inside of the logo container. Logo, we're gonna dump it in there. Does that still work after I refresh it? It absolutely does. Okay, great. Let's go back to the typography. And we're going to do font size No, we're not even gonna do this yet. I don't even care about that yet. Kind of want to do like this, like an RGB glow underneath. So let's try to do CSS RGB glow shadow. That's definitely not right. CSS shadow effects. Yeah. Okay, cool. So it's a box shadow, that's what I want. CSS RGB box shadow. These are kind of cool, but none of them are rags. Whoa, that's trippy. Let's see here. If I would use the word like rainbow box shadow. Rainbow with box shadow code pen. Okay. Oh. That's you made a rainbow. That does not look right. Cool. Candy, that's what I want to call it. I'll use this. Grab all of that. Let's go with oh, that's pretty dope. I like that. Let's get rid of that border. That is pretty trippy indeed. All right, cool. So let's put that on our logo inner container. Get rid of that. That is a lot of CSS colors. I'm glad somebody else figured that out and I could just like copy it. Like thank you to that person. Oh man. Like that would have taken a while. That looks good. I'm happy with that. Alright, now did want to do some kind of like animation. Got some ideas. Not really 100% sure though how they're gonna go. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Like I said, I didn't really test. I know I did test it, and yeah, there was sound coming through. So hopefully I sound okay though. If I don't, hopefully somebody will let me know. But we'll see. All right. Where do I want to go? With this. I like that wind out there. Kicking. That's pretty crazy. All right. Let's go back to here now. I bet I can make it do some kind of like slide thing and like have the words like pop out. Yeah, I'm just not sure. Just not sure of myself here. I want to use this Oswald font, so I'm gonna grab that. Not Orbitron. Orbitron can screw off. Where is okay. Weird. Why do you wait at 700? I am a little confused by that. Oh man, my eyes are watering. I've been up for a while. I'm a little bit tired, perfectly honest. Working on this. I'm pretty happy with where I've got so far, but I definitely want to get some more done. See what we can get. Let's see here. Alright, we'll set our font family to Oswald. If we go over here to typography, we'll say logo heading, font family. Actually, let's put that above text transform, font family. Oh, that's cool. Nope, we don't have. Alright. Alright, now we can do font weight 200. And then make this font size 3 rem. I feel like I could do like a some kind of text shadow on these where it like slants hard in a direction, and that might look kind of cool. Oh, 3.5. Maybe 3.5 rem. I think I like that. So font weight. Font size 3.5. Oh. It's broken. It was just working a second ago. Why can all of a sudden it go bigger now? I'm confused. Okay. Interesting. I'm not sure why that is, but it's okay. I have that looking good. Yeah. Oh, it's on the massive screen or the ultra wide. I'm a goofball. I'm sorry. Looks good though. I like that. I can dig. Bunch of garbage. This one, yeah, okay. All right, so that's looking okay. That's looking decent. Can hang out with that for now. God, I guess let's work on this navigation, right? Let's see here. Yeah, new files, navigation, CSS, add it to our main. Abstract, space, layout. Boom. Just like that, we're in business with some navigation. All right, so we'll do nav. And so let's actually go to layout. No, not layout. Home. Not this one. Index, here we go. Okay. So this would be, so everything's got to have a class. Nav, this would be nav. I'll just be nav list. What the heck am I doing? Because it's a list, and this will be a nav list item. Alright, let's add that class to each of these. And then I'm going to go in here, call nav. And then from nav we can use this symbol, ampersand, and do list. And then item. Nice. So the item, I want them to have like, no, not columns, color, text white. Oh, then we're okay. And it's because it's an anchor tag. So I've got to do a couple of things. Instead, okay, let's do select that, and we'll do a link, and then we'll do visited. We'll move that in here. That might work. Nope. Weird. It's not getting the color. It's strange. Do I have an error? No? No error. Alright. Let's just do color white. Text decoration none. Oh, I think I know what I've done wrong here. Nav list item. Okay, we'll do that. We'll come back over here, and then we'll do link. Man, for real? Dang. This sucker's being tough. Nav. List. Item. Link. Maybe I'm too deep in the SAS. Oh, wait. No. Wouldn't be it. Oh, this shouldn't. Should also be a class. There we go. Now we can also do text decoration none. We'll take the give it a height of 10 V8. And then, not really sure. I'm feeling like I need some water. And a little bit of a break. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to come out here and I'm going to display this flex. And it'll probably be the nav list that I display flex. And then flex direction row. Let's see here. So display flex direction row. And then I want to align items center. Maybe not. Okay, justify content center. And then I'll just have to add some padding. Yeah, not what I wanted. Okay. Not what I want. Let's see here. I want to justify content. I'm not justify items. No, that's not right. We want to do space between. Oh, so instead of center, just do. Okay, no wonder I'm dumb. We'll do space around. And let's do border 1 pixel, solid white. Okay. I want to just be able to see what I'm working with, you know? Portfolio icon. These look kind of bad. SVG. Let's see. Is there something else? Something better? These are pretty good. Can I just like download it though? I don't know what the CCO license is. Oh, Creative Commons? Oh. Bookmark, resources. I was gonna put this in later, but I might as well go ahead and put this in now if I'm gonna have this. He's linear. Oh, that's really. Oh, that's cool. Oh, they connect the lines. That's nice. All right. I already had this on another file. I already set up this linear icon, and I can just use some stuff from it. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me pull that up. Oh, so I'm slouching in my chair. I'm gonna sit up. Sorry. Should be more professional, right? I'm gonna be doing this on the tubes of you. Alright. Somebody would say hi to me in chat. Be like, yo. I'd be like, yo. I'm getting weird in the house, I tell you what. I never left the house before Corona, alone now. You know, they did go snorkeling a while back. That was a lot of fun. Saw an eel. It was pretty cool. I'll have to show you guys that. It's pretty dope. What was I doing? Oh yeah, icon pack thingy. How did I do that? It honestly wasn't that hard. Oh, okay. Copy that. Paste. There we go. Now I'll try and what was it? Linear. Oh, that's right. Use a span. Okay. All right. Oh, I need to. I think I need to make sure I call it in a link file. I think. So it's been a little bit since I've used it. Icon font. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's find a font, or let's find an icon and see if it works. Do they have one for just like portfolio? Make it easy? Nope. Oh, yeah, leave it in a briefcase. Maybe my portfolio is a rocket ship. Or a diamond. Or just a silly briefcase. I don't know. I'm gonna be special, right? Doesn't everybody? So I'm using this free icon pack. Maybe this heart? I could rock that. Screw it, we'll just make it the briefcase. Alright, so I get the briefcase, we'll do the span, and then Yeah, this works way differently. Span.lnr.lnr dash briefcase portfolio. That might work. Yeah, it did, and then I broke the rest of it because I'm dumb. No. Okay. All right. I'm not dumb. Shouldn't say bad things about yourself. It's not good for your mental health. Take that from me. All right. So we'll do display flex. Cool. And then we'll do justify content space around. And then we're going to put that on our nav list. So navigation, we got nav list. So we want to display flex and justify content space around. Cool. Now I want to put, okay. Yep, I have to change things a little bit. All right. So that'll be our span. But then we'll also do another span, which we'll call this the I'll just call it nav link text. Okay, so click on that, that works. No, it won't be that. It can't be that. No, it would be nav list item link we're just gonna do link text, or actually we'll do nav link text. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do that. Okay. Now with that underway, let's refresh that. Inspect it. Let's do. Actually, we can make this a tag. We can make it a display flex, and then we could justify content. Space around. No, it doesn't quite work. Maybe we have to also flex direction column. No. We align items center. There we go. Text align center as well. May or may not work. Give this, we'll say Yeah, I thought that would work, but it's not. Maybe because there's no... Okay. Alright, so the nav list has got to have a height of 100%. And the... And the link, well, we got a bunch of stuff for the link. All right, that's it there. Awesome. I'll go ahead and... Nice. Good stuff. I'm working. I'm definitely going to make this text bigger and all that good jazz. But I'm liking the way that that's looking now. All right, so let's go back to our icons here. And I take this back. We're not using briefcase. We're using mustache. Has to be mustache. Yep, nice. Now it's mustache. Good stuff. All right. We can... I'll leave it open for a little. Okay. What was the next one? GitHub? Oh no, I need to find a GitHub icon. Shoot. GitHub icon. Oh, not GitHub account. Nice, and just have your own, like, like, here you go. Use it up, buddy. That's really awesome. So we got PNG. And we've also got vector. I'll definitely use a that's a bummer that I'm going to have to use different... Okay. Well, since that's the case, I'm going to set this off to the side for now. We're definitely going to come back to it though. That's kind of a Kind of a bummer, but now we're going to get a portfolio. What was it? Those PNGs? Yeah, PNGs. Oh man. And these have to come in the right size too. Well, maybe I just mix and match. Do what I can. Like it shouldn't be that bad. Like it might be a little off, but we'll see how it goes. All right, what about contact though? I got an envelope. I got a poop emoji. Last change, it's gonna be Rocket. And then contact is gonna be the mustache for sure. Yeah, all right. Looks decent, decent. Okay. Oh, I'm just not going to use the GitHub one. I'll use the diamond. Because there's something I'm going to want to do, and I won't be able to do it with the PNG. So never mind to that idea. I'll just have to do what I can do. If I find an SVG of it later, then yeah, I'll throw it in. But can't do it right now. All right. Okay, so now we got that. Let's see here. How big do I want to make these? Say maybe like 2 rim. Maybe, yeah, maybe like 1.5. I like 1.5 rim. That's pretty good. Maybe even 1.87. Yeah. Let's put the font family sans serif. Font weight, then What do they say goes with Oswald? Open Sands, Roboto, Lotto, Montserrat, and Source Sands Pro. I like Open Sands. Okay. So let's go back to, was it typography? Oh, no, not yet. So I'm having a brain fart on what to do. I think I need a little bit of a nap. Alright, so if I want to use Open Sands, just need this. Go back to our typography. Okay, so in our typography, we want, what do we call it? Nav link. Oh, actually the whole thing. So it'd be this whole bit here. Ooh, goodness, yawning. Sorry about that. Alright, so our font family, sans serif. Yeah, I think that looks much better. And then we'll do font size 1.7. Now, here's the question. Do I make them also have like, I wouldn't give them like this background glowy of this same thing, but I could give them like a background color. That it would be the color of the text rather than white, right? Kind of want to do that. I want to see how that looks. But I think I am actually going to take a little bit of a break. Not really sure how long I've been going at this. What does OBS say? OBS says 1 hour and 22 minutes. Hey, not too bad. Alright, so I'm going to stop for a little while though, guys. I'm going to take a little bit of a break, but don't worry, I'll be coming back at this and we'll be hitting it up for part 2.